Just use these 2 ingredients to empty all deposits of fat and parasites of your body without effort. The consumption of sugar can lead to mucus accumulation, which is an ideal environment for parasites. Sugar addiction is a common issue in the modern society and can result in stress. The body fat is, in fact, a body storage used for energy. The part that is not used for energy is stored as body fat. Therefore, weight loss can be a difficult process for a person who can't resist sugar cravings. However, if you have frequent sugar cravings, you may deal with high levels of stress or parasites in your stomach. Around 1/3 of the population suffers from parasite infections. They can be a possible reason for your lack of energy and fatigue. Recipe for fat deposits and parasites elimination. Ingredients: 10 grams of dried cloves, 100 grams of linseed. Instructions: first, grind the 2 components and turn them into powder. Drink 2 tablespoons of this powder with a glass of water in the morning for 3 days. Optionally, you can consume it together with your breakfast. For better results, consume this remedy 3 days in a row and then make a 3-day break. Afterward, repeat the routine again. In just 1 month, the results will be visible and you will enjoy a body free of parasites.